He is graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Civil Engineering at Cebu Institute of Technology University, year 2016, and is currently working at LG Danao City Engineering Office as a project engineer for building roads, flood controls, and other projects since 2019 to present. He's a good friend. He is Mr. Billy J. Vlog P. Dupai.
I'm honored to receive this award, especially sa batch 2011. I know na ako yung mas deserving nga nito. I'm still honored, and I thank my alma mater for teaching the fundamentals, not just sa knowledge but sa atong character. And a huge shout out din for the Sir Ronnie Mata sa ato ang mga math teacher in that special impact, especially sa mga engineering students or mga graduates. So, mabuhay!
Thank you so much, Mr. Perez, and